Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, Cook with Nigar. Today I have made this Maida flowers sweet. Now I am going to tell you how I have made this one. I have taken the Maida flour 500 grams, added the preheated cold milk and 50 grams of pure ghee. I didn't add the water. You should not add the water in the flour, only with the preheated cold milk and the 50 grams of ghee. You have to make the dough like this. After making the dough, you have to cover the dough with the wet cloth. To make the syrup, I have taken the 2 glass of sugar and 2 glass of water. This is the glass I have used. 2 glass of sugar and 2 glass of water. Till the 1/3 consistency I have left. I have prepared this one sugar syrup with 1/3 consistency. After making the syrup, I have flattened the dough, taking the small ball like this. I have made thin popper. Now we have to cut into 4. Now we have to cut the popper into 4 like this. Apply little dry flour, make the edges sharper like this. Now this edge should go in the center. These 2 edges come to closer like this. Now you have edges should be like this. This edge should go here in the center. These 2 edges come closer like this. You have to close well like this. This is the way you have to make the flower. You have to make the flowers. Now we have to fry in deep oil. This we have to fry in deep oil. Already heated this one, so if after making this flour, if you leave for 10 minutes, so the crispiness will be good. You have to fry well till the turn into light brown in the color. You have to fry well. See, in the hurry I have done, so it's open. You have to press well like this. Then you have to add in this. After adding in the syrup, dip only for 2 or 3 minutes. Don't dip for a long time. It will absorb the more syrup. So, like this. After taking this one, I have arranged this one like this. If you like my sweet recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the button, press the bell icon, share with friends and relatives. Till the next upload, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.